Today, we will be playing Evil Grandpa, Chainsaw Killer by Poison Games. Now, I actually just recorded a video on one of their games. Well, I recorded it in quotations. I don't think you can see me, but I recorded one of their games called Slenderman Must Die 8 from Burn to Return. I wasn't fucking recording. But today, tonight, I guess, Pitch Black, to enhance the horror experience, we are going to be playing one of his earlier works compared to what he's been making now. So let's just jump into it. My goal for this video, don't piss myself. Evil Grandpa got you trapped in the abandoned industrial complex. You have no weapon to defend yourself. Find the clues and the way out of this horrible place. Also, try to find some weapons. You're gonna need it. Alright, let's hit the second play button. I have to get out of here! Okay. Help! 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 And then like a little key. That looks like a key to me. Oh, you left some fucking cookie and a hamburger for me. Oh fuck, he killed evil uncle. Oh shit. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Locked, find the key. Shit. Damn it. This evil grandpa is really a crazy killer. Oh nice, we got a wife beater. Well, it is to me. Alright, nice, we got a weapon. It looks like we're Leon Kennedy too, that's nice. Maybe hidden the cookies and I just ate the key. Damn. We can't get stuck at the first door. At this rate we will never even we won't even survive evil dad. Where'd he put this damn key? Did he put it on this generator? Oh, God damn it, evil grandpa. Why did you do this? Why is there no shading on the cabinets or the shelves? Maybe you put it in these explosive barrels. Nothing. What the hell? Oh fuck, is that evil grandpa? Is he fucking knocking up evil granny? Oh shit, there he is! He had the key shoved up his ass! Secure the area for clues. Try to get out of this place. Oh shit, he cloned himself! Damn it. He really is a chainsaw killer. Take that! Let's try. I guess Thanos just snapped as I killed them. Holy fuck, he's rich as shit. Oh, is this my car? Damn, I am not fucking broke. What is that, a Bugatti? I don't know my cars, that looks like a Mercedes. Negative 110 health. Nope, I just ate that fucking hamburger for the joy of it. Holy shit. Evil Grandpa's back! Let's go up these stairs. We stayed at the industrial complex real quick. It was just that one building, right? Or is this whole place the industrial complex? We're in a fucking AI data center! He's building AI evil grandpas! Take this! Damn it! What? That one is fucking built different. It took 10 hits. Damn it, more explosive barrels. What am I doing around here? Jammed! Oh, that one opens out. Are you fucking kidding me? This is a goddamn joke. Why do you even do that? Oh, it's the electricity room, but there's no electricity. Wait, we have ammo. That means there's guns. I can finally use my First Amendment. Or third? I'm gonna use the amendment that lets me shoot people for free. What is that? That can't be an evil grandpa, could it? Oh shit. It could. Oh my god, oh shit, evil grandpa's got evil nephew! Take this! What about this door? Oh damn, that must be evil grandpa's car. He is damn broke. That's why he tried to rob me. Let's see if it works. Take that. Oh shit. Thank god there's an arrow here. Find hammer, key, and battery. Okay. That's gonna be annoying. Look, with perseverance I will prevail. I have actually a fucking trench coat full of ammo and not a gun. Dumpster. No. That seems like somewhere evil grandpa lives. The fucking crippled old fucker. He took me away. Oh shit, is this part 4? No. Maybe? Take this, evil grandpa! More ammo. The Lord knows I need it. Maybe I can use it to fucking chuck it. Holy shit. Oh, it's a shotgun. Oh my god. Is that evil father? Is this a full revolver? What is this thing? It looks more like a shotgun. Ammo. I'm glad I used my third hand to pick up that ammo. Oh fuck you, old grandpa, he's back. Explosive barrel. Okay, they don't even have it now. Gotcha. Evil grandpa, you're gonna have to pick up the base if you want to beat me. Oh shit, this must be where evil grandpa works. He's working at fucking Apple. I keep forgetting to breathe. I guess that I'm just so stunned and paralyzed by evil grandpa, chainsaw killer. Oh shit. There must be something evil this way. He shot himself. He's leading a trail. He's got a snail trail. Oh my god, we found the other Apple employees. Oh shit, what is that glow? Oh shit! Fully automatic, how is that even legal? Everywhere? Oh, what's in here? Locked! Find the key! There's something in there. Oh, there. I wonder if evil grandpa chainsaw killer is in that room that's locked. Don't go in there. I'll do it, I swear to god I will. There's nothing fucking in here. God damn it. Who would... Is this shit rotten? Why is he leaving out milk and cookies for me? Oh, more generators. Ammo. God damn it, I'm rich in ammo. Oh yeah, I can tell you brass knuckles. In Slenderman Must Die 8, I used a chainsaw and a fire extinguisher. I'm just going full fist. Where is he? I'm gonna kill myself, I can't escape him! Okay, for real now, where am I supposed to go? Should I speedrun this game? Do you think this game has to be speedrun? Why does he keep fucking emoting in the room, like, beside me? Oh my god, that's what's been making all the noise! What am I supposed to do, like, seriously? There was nothing there. I guess I'm gonna have to search every nook and cranny. Or rather, every nook and evil granny. Fire axe killer. Maybe it's up here? No. No. Damn, I actually just killed him. There was nothing in there. That couldn't have been a chainsaw by a killer, could it? Alright, do I go through here? What the fuck? My hearing. It's like it was like going on a plane, my eardrums, what the hell? That was so fucking weird. What the fuck was that? Goddamn Mephisto under me? Oh shit, he's back again! Where are they spawning from? Like, just gotta make sure evil grandpa wasn't behind me. Oh god. You can get up the ladder, come on. Where is all this shit, dude? He's gonna be in. Oh! There's the key! Oh my god, are you kidding me? Are you serious? This guy's legs are fucking pathetic, by the way. That was not a bad jump. Oh yeah, actually it was pretty rough. Oh, pistol! Let's go! I wish the items were illuminated. Maybe, wait, is this the key to the building? Hold on. Wrong way. Ouch. God damn it. Does this open? It does! Okay. Batteries! We got one! Oh no! Evil dad and evil nephew are back! Alright, let's take this to the car, whatever the fuck. Why do we need battery? What the fuck is battery doing? Oh god. Hi, bitch. I never fucking lied to you! We haven't seen a single woman. How are they? How is evil nephew being produced? Are they? Is it like asexual? Is evil grandpa not even human? He's no grandpa of mine then. Oh, press F to use item. Yes, please. I'm pressing F right now. Oh, nice. I laid down some wires. Key. Okay. That was only a one-time use key, I guess. We got a little stop sign up there. Or a traffic light. Maybe up here. Oh, nice that they have a little brick slab. Ugh. Uh-oh. Don't hurt. Nice. Jump! Okay, we were just in there. We gotta search another building. Oh fuck! Nice try, evil dad. You didn't get me. Oh, this is the same building. Can I shoot through these? No. Yeah, I was hoping a little too hard. This is the same goddamn building. Is this all the game has? Is there a feature I'm missing? Well, I can go prone. What the fuck? Okay, I can just do that. That's cool. Whoa! I did a little pole vault. I swear to God, if I find these fucking items just like hidden on the goddamn floor, I'm gonna use this shotgun in a new way. Nothing in here. They shut the door. This is good content. Still locked. I'm done with this place. I can just shut the door. Anything I've been in already, I'll shut, which is actually really dumb. but I've gone too far, and now I'll look stupid if I stop. Why is this here? Shit. We get some milk in here. Some bullets. Already been in the Apple office. I'm yawning cause I'm scared! 360 no scope. Bitch, grandpa. Where am I going? Can I crouch jump? No, I can't. Yeah, that's fun. Let me check this room one last time. I swear to God, if this keeps happening, I'm looking up a walkthrough. Oh shit, is that evil grandpa? Oh no, it's evil nephew! Yeah. The scariest part about the game is you can't finish it. It'll take up your time and you won't be doing anything productive. What if I jump here? Oh, still fucking nothing. That's fine. Ouch, shit. Oh my god, it's still the brick slab building. Die, bitch. Sucking a lot of ass right now. Wait, oh, god damn it! I actually thought that was something. Let's check all the hot spots. Let's try evil grandpa. I like to think that like evil grandpa is right behind me right now. Like this is the real fucking horror entity. This is the one that exists, and we made a game about him. Maybe there's something in my crashed car. Oh wait, holy shit. Nope, it's just ammo. I just have fucking ammo magazines that I was sitting on. Nothing. Hey! In Slenderman didn't die or oh shit. Evil grandpa gave me a disease. And Slenderman must die. The cops had not nearly as many polygons as they have now. That's good. I've been around this whole block. What is the fucking point of this damn door? There's nothing on the shelf. I swear to God, if there's an item here. If there's an item in here, I will scream. Oh no, just a rusty Apple computer, the cheese grater. I swear to God, if I find out I'm not recording, I'm gonna blow my goddamn brains out. Evil grandpa will have his way with me, and I'll happily oblige. That's where this game is going anyway, I think. Maybe this game is a period piece. Not a period piece, but just like it has the message that maybe you should just give up in the world sometimes. Alright, I'm looking up a walkthrough. Evil grandpa, you cannot contain me. There's still cell data in this goddamn abandoned industrial complex. Evil grandpa, chainsaw killer. Oh, that's fun. We also got like a whole We got a fucking Google Gemini summary. Oh my god, there's just like a serious video of this guy playing fucking evil grandpa chainsaw killer. Give me a moment. Okay, it's not working. Damn, it crashed. It crashed. I guess he took down the cell tower. Why did it say Evil Grandpa Hotel Transylvania? Here we go. Full walkthrough. Let's see, hold on, let me make sure you can hear this. God damn it, why is this Evil Grandpa so strong? God damn it. Alright, we're watching this video on YouTube, I guess. Oh! You almost got one over on me, but not this time, bitch. I'm too scared, I'm quaking my boots, I can't even move. Okay. Well, Google's not thinking of anything right now, actually. Evil Grandpa Chainsaw Killer. This is the content I like. Try to listen to this. What did you do first? Why is my connection so bad? So this is the mobile version. I hope that doesn't change anything. Okay, you found the battery strip first. Oh fuck! That's Evil Grandpa! Bust his slimy fucking head open. Okay, good news, we're halfway through the game. Over halfway. Oh shit. I wish I dropped my whole phone for that one. Die, bitch. Wait, what? Did he find all three? How the fuck did he do that? God damn. I wasn't even looking. It took him a fucking while to pick up that goddamn carton of milk. Oh my god. Shout out to Dangerous Paragon, by the way, for the gameplay footage that helped me pass this. I'm not editing this, by the way. That's probably the best part. I hope you're still watching. You there? You there? You there? Come on. Oh shit. Try to distract me again, Evil Grandpa. Nice one. You can't stop me that easy. Can I just like take refuge in the building actually? I'm in a fortress now. Okay, he's finding the shit when I'm not looking. Let me put this on 2x speed. Oh nice, but on YouTube Premium I can do 3x speed. I'd love that. When did he get all this stuff? Do we have the key actually? It might just we just like misclicked. Nope. Damn. It has to have been like 30 minutes at this point of evil fucking grandpa. Oh my god, I'm getting like less health. Is this the scary truth about this game? That I can't leave it? There's no end health? Is it in this taxi? No. There's just something chilling in the truck. No. Dude, this guy is just as... He got all the shit and I wasn't looking. Yeah, I'll edit this. Oh, that is so fucking dumb. It's on the brick slab thing. There's the key. I get it. That's really dumb. Okay, so the hammer's the only thing I actually bothered to walk behind anything. Die, you scum! I was so spry when I started this video, I feel a lot more tired. This game put me to goddamn sleep. Oh wait, that has the hammer I think. Oh yeah it does. There we go. I could have played this game for years and I would have never found that. Okay, key. There. Ouch. Alright, we got everything. I can't believe we didn't even cheat on that. Oh fuck, we need a can of gas. Did it just spawn or has it been there the whole time? I assume it just spawned, right? Oh, Grandpa must be a fucking genius. How do you clone all these guys? Is it back at spawn and we just missed it? Who is this fucking guy? Dude, he looks so goddamn old, his fat fucking cheeks, jeez. Oh no! The perimeter. Okay, this is done. Maybe I just haven't taken gas in my broken car. My crashed car. Did fucking Sheriff Tom have it this whole time? No. Damn. He was a fucking doll. This is a fucking simulation! Holy shit! It's gotta be in this building, right? Damn, the real fucking enemy in this game is just fall damage. Okay. Hello? Anybody there? Is they leaving here? No. Nothing. Wait. Oh wait, no, that's just his bricks. PC. He must have sedated me by making this so fucking boring. everywhere. People like multi-hour videos now, right? Cookie. Milk. Oh, so now I can't eat food when I'm full, huh? You bitch. That whole video I recorded, I'm kind of embarrassed about it now. That would have been a damn good video, probably better than this. Not in this fucking building. Stop cumming your pants. Like, that's just what it sounds like. I will not do this part with a walkthrough. Ouch. I tried so hard to keep my health up. God damn it! I already looked through here. Let's do it again. Maybe it's just in this cardboard box. It's not a cardboard box, it's the rusted Apple PC. Where mine is deteriorating. If it is like right next to the fucking exit, I will scream. Okay, so check this out. Oh wait. Shit. You know what? That's me playing. Why is it doing that? Oh, yeah, I'm playing. You know, there's other sounds. That must be some other guy, like evil grandpa kidnapped. Oh, wait a minute. Could it be hidden behind some fucking explosive barrels? There was no hint to them. Could it be behind there, maybe? Oh, could it? Could it really? I just had that thought. Oh, could it be behind our car here? Could it be there? Oh my gosh, a gas tank! I can't believe it! Die! It's time to get out of here! We're gonna do it! We're there! Run before evil dad evil uncle gets you! Mission successful! What the fuck do you mean next level? What is it? Oh, looks like you escaped again. Good job! See you soon in some new adventures! Wow! Can I just say, wow. I played a lot of games in my lifetime. A lot of horror games. And, Never seen anything as disturbing as that game. And, I guess the main question we have to ask from what I said is, did I piss my pants? And I think the answer is, I'm very well hydrated, I just found out. So, last thing I want to leave you with, two things actually. First of all, I'm not editing this video, fuck you. And second of all, I think what we all learned from this game, from this amazing, beautiful, beautiful game, is that, in the world, there